Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Jio Fiber router is powered and showing an active WAN light. This ensures internet is available. Once done, connect your phone or laptop to the Jio Fiber SSID using the correct password, and make sure DHCP is enabled so IPs assign automatically. You should also have your Google account email and password ready. That speeds sign-in. Now open a browser or the Google app. This begins the login and device association process. You now sign into Google while connected to Jio Fiber, open the Google app or a browser and enter your email and password. If two-step verification appears, complete it with your phone or a backup code. This protects access. Once signed in, make sure sync settings match your preferences so bookmarks and passwords sync across devices. Also check location and permission prompts. Allow only what Google needs for the feature you want. This ensures smooth, secure Google service use over the Jio Fiber connection. You finish by testing core Google services, search, Gmail, and YouTube to confirm everything loads properly on Jio Fiber. If a page fails or is slow, restart your device and router. Often that clears transient issues. Once rebooted, clear browser cache and retry and make sure DNS settings are standard or set to a reliable resolver. If problems persist, check Jio Fiber service status and contact support. Key tip: if sign-in errors continue, verify clock/time zone on your device. Incorrect time often breaks authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.